Hello and good evening. Long time no see. How are you all today? Arctic Space Fox in the house. Very nice, very nice. Oh, I should change my scenes. Hardliner. Okay, that's working. I hope the music isn't too loud. In the hood. Okay, so I did something today. I hope that's okay for you. That's not what I wanted. So I did something today. Hardbot should now know about Fox in the Box. Wait, is Hardbot not working? It is working. Oops, and I misspelled there. Okay, let me just fix that. Yeah. No, big. My uni medkits. I should show them how to do streaming. Can you rephrase that? I'm not sure I understand what you're trying to tell me. Oh. Oh, so your kids uni did streaming. Nice, cool. Yeah, we should make we should get them to use Hotbot basically. Okay, can I now send that, please? Yeah. Yeah, so that's the new command. I hope that's fine for you. There's a 1 hour screen that you collect cookies. Hey, talk a bit. You love it. Also, as Arctic. You're now officially the creator of Fox in the Box. Yeah, I mean, I think it's a great idea, so... Maybe we could, wait. Where's my music? So maybe we could compile it to WebAssembly and run it directly on your website. Maybe that would be some cool thing we could do. You made goulash today without inviting me. That's not nice. Thought we were friends. Why is there Ingui Ini? What? Why is there settings, Jason? What? What is happening? That's Igui. So lib. Just main. Can I CC format that? Something like that? No? Yes, it was basically the same thing. Okay. Red wine. Or red wine would be amazing though. That was the wrong button. That's the correct button. What is this all about? Hey, Ergo. Okay, let's see if it's web browser. What do you need a web browser for? Hey Phil, are you working in? Yeah. I'm gonna stretch. I'm gonna stretch really big. Oh. So the idea basically is to do a reverse engineering challenge for Fox in the Box, which is a cool project that Arctic Space Fox is working on. And I thought instead of doing a normal reverse engineering challenge where you just get an ELF binary or a portable executable file, you would get a CHIP-8 binary blob and had to reverse engineer that for a change. Because I think it would be kind of cool. So that's why I'm creating my own emulator to learn about CHIP-8. And maybe we can use the whole emulator and integrate it into the website itself. But let's see. Fiscan AI with the raid. What a timing. I just started streaming basically. How are you, Fiscan? I hope everything's fine. Pongstongs? Wait. Pongstongs? I'm fine. Oh, you stopped for launch. Cool. If would I stop for lunch? I don't think I would stop for lunch. Or would I stop for lunch? I'm not sure. I would need to try streaming during the day once. Just go indeed. Yeah, Togglebit basically leaves the whole chat hanging. Just stands up and goes. No pong allowed here. What? Oh, I renamed them. I'm stupid. Eat break. Yeah, eating on stream is also something that some people do. He just leaves us unsupervised. I try to supervise you while Togglebit is gone, so we see everything. I don't want to export 2 files. What can I say? The boonies are watching. Oh, I love the boonies. So source main. I think I added a bin. Wait. Hey, Fluffy. So now, where's my cursor? Sandwich Tetris. Cargo run. Fred panicked with not implemented. That makes actual sense. Because it's not implemented. Okay, so it's the other one? More pong stonks? Oh, making a video game in a week. Nice. Does the video game use AI to learn to play? Little break from data science. Yeah, that actually makes sense. No, unfortunately not. Would be cool though. Okay. Let's see. Pause thing is a good idea. So I just got a call needed to ask if it's important or not. Oh, you've been learning Unreal Engine. That's nice. But I spend more time on making memes for the game than making the game. Yeah, that's what it's all about, right? That's basically Twitch programming in a nutshell. So I don't need the whole painting stuff be gone. Okay, so we already do block. Oh, and I got new fancy symbols for oops, that's not what I wanted. I got new fancy symbols for warnings, so it should make everything a bit prettier. Nice, it's a bit more top shelf than P3. Also, another thing, while we're at it. Oh, I didn't want to do that. Go away. So, oh, I actually did want to do that. Sorry. Gotta run and buy some fuel. Gonna probably pull an all-nighter after a short 1 to 2 hours of sleep. Yeah, you probably shouldn't do that if it's not necessary, right? I hope it's nothing work-related. Don't do it for work. It's not worth it. Oh yes, a company scuffed games do stuff biz. It's pretty sophisticated. It's the only okay, got it. Yeah, so what I wanted to show you is you probably know my P command, which auto-completes all my projects. And I mean all my projects. I pimped it. So let's see, let's start with functions. Weird flex, but okay. Oh yeah, the exam, sorry. Yeah, it's a bit stressful today. So, luckily crazy head, you gave me a lot of points. Yeah, that's true. So, my P command now, p.fish completions. My P command now searches for certain files. So those are custom files. You can just create them empty, and it will autocomplete them, and it checks for files I know would be in a project, so that I can better autocomplete and do a faster autocomplete than just listing all directories. So, which is kind of cool. I don't have to type your full name in search to find your stream now. The wife was wondering why I was entering I am hard in the Twitch search on Xbox. Does that mean I'm famous now? It's basically me being famous, right? Did I understand that correctly? Okay. You are known to me, wow. Okay, so let's run that. So that's the debug thing we got going. I should be able to run that from within from within Vim though. I'm still gonna count it as being famous. Being known by Togglebit is basically being famous. In Twitch Rust programmer terms. So let's see. Okay, it already increments things. Wait. Oh. Can I not abort this? Have I borked? Oh my god. I probably shouldn't run it inside of Vim. Okay, got it. I tried to control C it, but it didn't work. I didn't want to open my terminal there. Okay, so let's go back to blowing up again. Oh yeah, that's what I did. That's what I did right now. So A2B4. What's A2B4? Is A2B4 anything? Sets I. That should be basically the thing, right? PlayStation? I'm absolutely not sure what you're talking about, but I agree. PlayStation, definitely PlayStation. The commercial. Oh, ah. It said PlayStation, so I repeated it. That's nice. Now I wanna buy a PlayStation. Nice. Okay, so how do I match on the instructions properly? You can't because they're not available. No matter how much money they spend on the AdWords, and then no one can get the console. Yeah, it's pretty bad. And an Austrian satire magazine. An Austrian satire magazine did an article where they said something that all of the two PlayStations are already sold out. All of the two they got, stuff like that. I didn't think you were on for another 25 minutes. Me? Why? No. Oh, the daylight saving times. Yes. Yeah, our daylight saving time starts this Sunday. Yeah. How can I match on only a part of the instruction? I mean, I can do an if statement. Let's start with an if statement for now. Don't overthink. What are you thinking about? So, okay, let's go back to unreachable. when I run this, the instruction I get is basically A to B4. Okay? And I want to match on the 0xa part. So that's a U16. And I just want to match on the first part. And get the rest as a number. Don't barefink it. Range match? Range match? Rust. Range match? My cursor's gone. Oh. Now I get what you mean. Okay, so basically match from 0xxa whatever to 0xb that's already exclusive. Everyone is either all of the sudden open shelling or CHIP-8. I mean, you could probably do an open shell CHIP-8 interpreter, right? Just combine everything. So to let address equals structure. Is that XOR? Think that should work. I'm not entirely sure. Exclusive range pattern experimental. What? I need the equals. So basically a I mean, that's kind of fine. Let's see. Address. No. What? This might not be an XOR. Or, oh, wait. Do I need the 000? No. Yes? Yes. So that needs to be 000 as well. Otherwise we match way too much. Yeah, that's more likely. Okay, so now I need to self dot. It's the address register equal address. I mean, it would be nice if I didn't need to type that, but I think it's fine. I mean, the worst way to do it would basically to do a toString and do a start square or something like that, something crazy. By the time I decide to show interest in either, people will move on to move AI emulating milk or whatever is next. You should do your own thing though. You don't need to do what's hyped, right? I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna create a whole new... Let's rename it as well. TCC. TCC dot... Holy. Can we get ahead on this stream? Maybe. Maybe someday. Oh, no. That was so slow. Heads are too powerful. That's true. Okay, so what's the next thing to implement? 2 free E6. 2 free E6. 2 free E6. Call... Oh, second part is already subroutine. Wow. Okay. Wait. Isn't it the other way around with Big Endian? No, it's not. No, it's not. Okay. The conversion in here. That should be fine. So 0x2 up to 0x we could probably do a macro for that. Right? Whatever. So... Okay, so but what does jumping to a subroutine mean? Input registers memory stack is only used to store return addresses when subroutines are called. So wait. So I'll do self. That's my stack. Push. And I'm gonna push self dot. Basically my instruction pointer. Do it do instruction pointer +1? Will it rain where you live in 12 weeks? 12 weeks. No. No. Absolutely not. Yeah, I just needed to think about it. Expected a U8. Found U16. Wait, so does that mean... which... Does that mean I can do my stack as U16? What? If it's just addresses, I should be able to do U16 as well. And if not, I can also push bytes. That should be fine. And then we'll set the instruction pointer to the new address. Right? Oh, wait. Wait. Where's clock? This might not be a good idea. I read the instruction, increment the instruction pointer, and then I'll execute. Wait, no, it could kind of work. I think it should work. Hey Buster, how's it going? How are you today? How's your T-Bolt's pause going? Okay, let's click run. And we get a null pointer. That's what we're here for. I'm tired, basically. So I'm not gonna do the +1 thing. Hey Renate. +1 thing is stupid. Let's not do that. And we still get to 0. What? Why? Am I reading that the wrong way? If I read it the other way, I start with B4. What is B4? B4 is basically jump to address V0. What's V0? That's a register. Arctic Space Fox is so nice. He's the nicest Space Fox all over the world. Okay, that doesn't seem right. I probably shouldn't jump. Probably shouldn't jump to register as the first instruction, so it probably was right. Let's debug that. So the address is 998. ROMs CHIP-8 Tetris. Okay. Didn't I have something for hexadecimal things? No. Why did I? Okay. So let's run that again. Reload. And open Tetris. Okay, so that's way too far. Anyone, any idea why this is failing? Another stretch. One to the right, one to the left, and the big one. I'm missing my water. Okay, so I'm still missing why that's failing. I have no idea. Thanks, Renata. I have no idea what is going. I mean, I kind of know what is going wrong, but I don't know why. That's exclusive OR, right? I'm not using the wrong operator. Okay, yeah, so that's exclusive OR. Okay, so that's not the problem. Did I mess up the endianness? Wait, so B is jumps to address n plus it's almost always a yes. I mean, you're not wrong. Second one would be 2. No, it would be E. What is E? E X. So it should be an EX. It's not, it's E6. What would E6 be? We should have more channel points events here. Yeah, I do agree. I do absolutely agree. Oh wait, the X stands for a number. 9E or A1. That's does seem right though. Yeah, first thing, I need to get my Discord in line. So I need to fix that first. I get my rules straight, so I want to do more, or write at least a few rules. And then we'll see what happens. What does call? Okay. What was the page called? emulation. What? That's the wrong. Ah, what's the page called? No. No. Okay, let me just find the emulation page. Oh, that's it. Okay. So do you have something on CHIP-8 too? Yeah, okay. So blah blah, 16 8-bit data registers. Do I have those? I feel I've tried to unfollow, follow, but no notifications. There should be. There should be notifications. Just check. Or do I have no notifications here? No, I do have notifications here. I do have notifications set up. I don't want to design my logo. Recent events. Nothing. Okay. Alert box. Test follow. So notifications should work fine. Maybe it's a Streamlabs thing. Check the notification settings and double it there. Maybe. If they are coming from Streamlabs, the log permanently follows. Ah, okay. That explains it. I can pretend you followed again. If you like. Thanks for the follow, Togglebit. That's really, really nice of you. Okay, so 16 8-bit registers. I do have them. Doubles as a character. Okay. Thanks for the follow, Rust Evangelism Strike Team. Feeling good, but my voice is still messed up. Oh. Okay. We need variables of size 8-bit, 1 byte, 2 bits, 16 bits, 2 bytes, for 1 word. Yeah, a type char is. Yeah, that's just type definitions. It's game memory, that's the registers, that's the address pointer, address register, sorry. That's the 16-bit stack, we do have that. Program oh. Ah, okay. Okay, so I need to offset everything by 0x200. That makes sense. So let's hardcode it. Let's just hardcode it for now. And run it again. Okay, we're already starting. with a 0 address. Oh, that means yeah, the program counter needs to start there too. Okay, so load, clock, execute, instruction. Hey, Mancy boy. Little. I'm not little. No. How are you doing? How was your day? Oh, holy crap! What is happening? 5 tier 1 gift subs. Nice. Thank you very much. Damn. Thanks for the gift sub to Exo, Bonus, Wing, Flory, and Ergo. Now you can use the only PogChamp alternative there is. I mean, there are more PogChamps, but that's the only PogChamp you'll ever need, right? It's still going on. Oh, that's crazy. That's kind of like how Toggle must feel, right? If you get a billion gift subs. My day was fine, that's why I bought 5 subs for you guys. That's so nice. That's insanely kind. But it kind of threw me off a bit. Where was I? Oh, I know where I was. Implementing stuff. 6 is next. Okay. 6 is next. Okay. Another 2 gift subs. What? No, you converted. It chose twice on my screen. Thanks for upgrading your sub. That's really cool. That is really cool. Let me just reorder that. We need to do a collaboration stream, right? With the whole what was it? RPG Maker stuff. I still want to do that someday. So 6000 to X6 F. Okay. Oh, there's an equal sign missing. Jay and I, I'm gonna play some Hunt. New event is live. Oh, nice. Yeah, maybe if I do a gaming stream on the weekend, maybe we could do gaming stream together once. But that depends if I'm playing Mario again or not. So let's see how that works out. Yeah, it would be cool though. Mario! Mario and Green Mario. And oh my god, another 5 gift subs. Thanks to the gift sub to Phil, to Bear, to Sikje, to Wild Ball 00, and to Mr. Halsey. Wow. What was payout today? Is payday already? Thank you. I'm really thankful. It's really nice. And it's confusing the hell out of me. What did I want to do? Okay, so let's whatever equal to instruction 0x. Thanks for the follow, Wildball00. Wait, what? No, 6. Yeah, that's new. Getting a sub and then following. That's the wrong way around, I think. Okay, so we got whatever out of the number. Now we'll need to get the register name, I think. Yeah. Apparently I have a Bash Bunny sub. I just received a notification I wasn't watching or following. But yeah, you're a programmer, so it's fine, I guess. Yeah, so Twitch does something wrong if the gift subs go to people interested in what I do. Manti again. Yeah, it's crazy. Absolutely crazy. So are you programming too, Wild Balls? Mr. 00? So let register is whatever shifted to the right by, is it 16 bits? No, it should be 8, right? That's 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Yes, it's 4 bits for 0 to F. Yes, I followed the bootcamp 2 years ago, and I'm still seeing what to do with that. More bootcamps. Probably. C# and JavaScript. Oh, nice. I was a professional C# programmer once, so that's cool. Let equal can't I just do whatever X or register to get it out of there? And then we'll do self dot right register. So register into hopefully expect U8. Yeah, it's definitely a U8. Didn't I implement that? And did you... Oh. And did you work as a programmer as well? Or... was it just the one bootcamp? So, not for money, but yes I did. Oh, okay. I mean, that's at least something. And That should work. That's also not quite true, but whatever. Almost everything by myself though, but I'm great at self-learning. Not so great at seeking for help. Yeah, you should learn to go ask for help. That's one of the most one of the best tips I can probably give you. I'm self-taught myself. I started with programming when I was 15, so long time ago. I think 16 years or so. And wanting to do everything yourself is kind of a good thing because you're driven and you want to learn. But if you're stuck and if you're running against the wall all day and all night, you're not gonna go forward, right? With that, so. Hello, bro. Could you please suggest good Linux distro and VM? A VM? So if you want to do virtual machine on desktop, just use VirtualBox. That's my suggestion. Yeah. So just do VirtualBox and you should be fine. Linux distro. It depends on what you're doing. If you want to learn, yeah, if you want to learn, go for Arch or Endeavor. Is one of the distros I recently found, which is also Arch based, but it's closer to normal Arch than something like Manjaro. Also, if you use Arch, by the way, you can say that you use Arch, by the way. That's true. That is so true. And Garuda Linux. I think Garuda Linux would be something for SpaceFox. Just because it looks so good. Where is... Oh, is it download? Let me check. I think it looks so good. I love the style of this distro. The dragonized stuff. I've been suggested Linux Mint. Yeah, Linux Mint is completely fine. Linux Mint is a completely fine OS to use. Linux Mint, Pop OS. So, Pop OS. Let's get the Garuda thing as well. So the Garuda Linux is also Arch based, and there's Pop OS, which is Ubuntu based. I think both are fine. I think that it would be better if you go for an Arch based system. Because it kind of seems... I could be totally wrong on that, but it seems like you could tinker around with it more. But if you just want to use it, and if you have never used Linux before, just using Linux Mint is a completely sane choice. Yeah, works out of the box without the silly of Ubuntu. Chocolate? I've never heard of chocolate. Oh, the ice cream. Yeah, I do like ice cream. Oh, now I want ice cream. Thanks, Bear. Now I want the ice cream and a PlayStation. Okay, let's run that again. What? Wait. Where did that go wrong? It didn't. Oh. Can I do U8 on that? Who 8? Can I do it on that? Looks a bit better though. Ice cream station coming up. Yeah, I will have ice cream stream where you can watch me eat ice cream for an hour, and I can transition from oh my head hurts migraine to oh my head hurts cold rain. Yeah, I think that would be fun though. That underscore kind of makes it worse. I don't know why. Whatever. Okay, any other errors? No. Okay. Channel point events to pick topping. If you're not a picky eater, that would probably be something cool. Let's do a space ice cream giveaway and we all eat them together during a stream. That sounds cool. Zero X 00 00 E0 is clear. No, EE 00 EE returns from a subroutine. That makes sense. Returning from subroutines is important, so don't let anyone tell you otherwise. You should always return from your subroutines. Zero E should be up here. 0 0 EE. Is that address equals self stack pop unwrap, because why not? No. Spect stack was empty ulog, and we'll do self instruction pointer equal to address. Okay. Oops. Okay, let's change that around a bit. CF? Yeah. Haha, just got an angry message in Discord because I wasn't answering someone in Twitch Whispers. LOL. Yeah, people are kind of entitled sometimes, right? So, I got a guy who started an argument on stream, basically, on another person's stream, and when I engaged in the argument, he basically started to whisper to me and drag the argument out in private. which is completely strange, but yeah, whatever. I've had one of those. Yeah, so it's... Oh. If you're one of those people, could you not? But it was for Git branch usage. Yeah, that's completely not understandable though. 7. Carry flag is not changed. Because they didn't agree with me pulling a bug branch on the fly to fix things. Okay, I mean, what? Why? How else would you do that? Right? 0x7 FFF. It's an equal sign missing again. Where's my equal sign? Where's my equal sign? I mean, if you want to rebase a monkey with a salmon, why do I? Can I just take the monkey and let you keep the salmon though? Only if you do it with a pull request, right? So you can't just do it. So let old equals self read register. Yeah, that should work. Heads off to start a new parent repo, but I contain fish and monkey. Let's see what percentage we can change this time. You just rewrite everything, right? Okay. Isn't that basically a copy type? It is not. Why? Why is it not? Drive, ebook, copy. I think I need clone as well, right? If I do copy. Okay. So now that's old plus NN. I can take that. Come on. Okay, seems good. I should start compiling in release mode, I think. Entered unreachable code. Okay. Oh. That's not good. Okay, that is completely wrong. That is completely wrong. Can we do a release build? It's gonna take a while. Anything else you want to know? Anything else you want to talk about while we're compiling? Any questions so far? If you see something on screen you don't understand, feel free to ask at any time. Right? Where can I learn about emulators programming? I can show you the site. Can you explain why your wall is bare and you have not taped a black metal bedpost to it? I cannot. Probably because I don't listen to black metal. I know, crazy, right? Okay, so this page was recommended to me. They have a whole tutorial on basically the emulation guide, which isn't the best English. So there are a few parts in it which read kind of strange, but I think it has all the necessary information in it. Yeah, then you can also look at Wikipedia. So if you want to do, if you want to do a CHIP-8, Wikipedia has almost all the info you need. And other than that, it's just trial and error. So you just start doing it, basically. 0xd DDD DXYN. Ooh, draw. We can't draw. Drawing is not supported. 0x. In which do you have programming experience? And if yes, in what language? Because there are already a few emulators, mostly CHIP. Okay, that's fine, that's fine. So, you, depending on how you learn, there's probably a Java CHIP-8. Probably. Which you can look at. So if you're learning by seeing other people's code, then you can also just look at pre-made stuff and how they did it. Other than that, like I said, just get your IDE or editor going and just poke at it, right? So we did P Rust. No, it's not R. Is it F? It's not F. It's T. TRBF. So we did a brain flop interpreter on stream once, and it's just 90 lines of code basically. One big match statement, and that's about it. So if you want to start with something like that and learn how to interpret bytes, I did not. Thanks for reminding me. But that's a thing you can do as well to get into it. Still too slow. Now I did type. Okay, so let me complete all the stuff and take your points away. I think I might join the emu crowd. I was thinking 68k, but why not go risk V? Would be cool though. If you wanna join what I'm doing, which might be something for you. So I'm doing this so I can learn about emulation, and I can learn about CHIP-8 and design a reverse engineering challenge with that knowledge. That's part one. Part two is maybe to give the emulation code to Arctic Space Fox so he can run it on his site. So if you do an emulator and have all the knowledge on emulation in the world when you're done, because that's what I strive for, that's maybe something you could consider. Okay, we'll just ignore all of that because it's risky. I love that kind of humor. You know, it's way too fast. I can't try stuff out. Make release again. It's too fast. Okay. 0x3. Thanks for the advice, mate. Yeah, no problem. If you have any more questions, like I said, feel free to ask. If you have Rust questions, general programming questions, it doesn't matter. Okay, so we're skipping instructions now. Okay. Whoa! That's a big message. I'm puzzled also, now that I'm quite comfortable with C#.NET and JS. Seeing people like you and Togglebit, by the way. I watch Togglebit, by the way. Make me want to learn Rust so bad, but I probably need some real experience in the company first. No, absolutely not. You do absolutely not. No. If you're also, don't be sorry for asking questions. That's completely fine. It's easier if you already have knowledge of certain things, but it's absolutely not necessary. And corporate programming is completely different from just learning a language, right? So you can be a corporate programmer without knowing anything about programming language, and you can know stuff about programming languages without knowing how to do corporate programming. So those are you don't need one for the other per se, right? Okay, let's continue. I'm just afraid to reveal myself. Yeah, imposter syndrome is hard. So yeah, I kind of feel stuck professionally. I want to learn everything, but I think I don't have the time to do so. How would you deal with that kind of situation? Start slow. Just pick something you want to learn and just do it. I know it sounds too simple, and most people, myself included, want an answer like, yeah, you need to do this, and then you need to do this, and then you do this, and then you're a master programmer. But that's just not how it works. You pick a topic, you pick something you want to learn, like, for instance, emulation. You can write small emulators in a very short amount of time, like a few weeks or days even. And then you learn all the things needed to do just that. Dude, I do constantly forget everything, that way you can learn forever. Yeah, that's another way to learn. Oh. Yeah, no, just pick something, pick something you want to do and learn it. And if it's just learning the language itself, for Rust, there's the Rust book. So Rust book. And you can just work through that as a start, right? So in the Rust book, they teach you all the things that Rust has. Like how do you do a function, stuff like that. It teaches you about ownership, which is pretty big in Rust. So if you get to that chapter and you have questions, feel free to ask again. And later on, I think you write a small HTTP server. Yeah, so final project, if you work through the book, you're doing a small web server in Rust. And by then, you should have at least a basic knowledge of the language, right? I once integrated the enterprise. What? Where's that from? When Borland became in price. Okay. Borland was what? Wasn't Borland the original distributor of Delphi? I don't remember anything from Borland after the mid-90s. I don't even remember the mid-90s, so there's that. Yeah, Rustbook seems really great. I guess I should just dig in and do stuff. Yeah. Don't, like I said, don't feel ashamed to ask questions. Everybody needs to start somewhere. Togglebit and I, and Bear probably as well, are happy to help. So if you have any questions, come to our streams, ask, come to our Discord. I think Togglebit and I have programming learning Discords, programming learning channels where you can ask questions. And just experiment with things. I had, but no one wanted to learn. Mine is welcome to beginners and newbie friendly. Yeah, I think we all are, right? And then just do... Wait, let me... Let's see what's in my program project list. But you can only join one of these because we're all crazy jealous. That's not true. Trying everything, ask everywhere. Yeah. What bear long name, please change. I'll answer on Toggles, Hardliner will answer on mine, and Toggle will answer Hardliners. Yeah, that's basically the rotation we do. Data, projects, Rust, let's see. Oh, okay. One thing you can do, which is pretty cool, is advent of code. That's also not corporate programming, but at least you have exercises with known solutions. Meaning, let's just open one. So you get a text and an input string, basically, and you need to write a program which calculates the output, and you can verify the output on the site, which is kind of cool. Can I change my browser, for example, like when Firefox opens? To show hidden files by default? What? Okay, so on Linux, also Firefox download safe dialog, or what? Or am I misunderstanding something? Okay, what else do we have here? What might be... Yeah, that's some password brute forcing exercises, which is also a nice exercise to do, to write a password brute forcer. Which is pretty easy. I can't browse hidden files directories. Oh, okay, now I got you. I'm gonna check it out soon. What else do we have? Delete me. Should probably delete that. Hello world is fine. I'm not sure if I have any more beginner friendly stuff in here. Oh, another thing you can do. Another thing you can do is if you have something you want automated, if you have something you want automated, you can also just use Rust to write tools for yourself. So I have this tool here, which generates data packs for Minecraft. So it's basically just a template engine. It's not even a template, it's a string replace, which replaces a few values in a file and creates a zip file for me, so I can position things. I can create position data packs. So if you have something like that which you want to automate, that's also a good thing to start just doing that, if it's not too big. Like, don't start with writing an MMO. That's what I basically want to say. Okay, Firefox. Let's go to CLIs are fun to write. Yeah, true. Or Doom proves all wrong. Yeah, that's true as well. Okay, let's go to Manjaro. Save image as let's see, copy location. How do I do hidden files? Well, you don't start with an MMO. That might be what it ends up being, though. Yeah. Be the next Flappy Bird, but with an MMO. I'd love to write a piece of hit software that becomes a 3-month sensation that makes me a few $1 million. Yeah, I totally agree with that. So that's too much stuff. Is there a directory? No. Then disappear to goat farm or something. Alpacas. Alpacas is where it's at. Gotta tell you. Just you go to Peru, you get a somewhat decent internet connection so you can still game and stuff and watch Togobit stream, and you get an alpaca farm, right? That's what you do when you're rich. I wouldn't know what to do with the money. I would absolutely know what to do with the money. Pay all my bills that come up and have a nice life. Get the taco farm instead, much tastier. Because I have no interest that costs any significant amount of money except buying servers, I guess. Yeah, let's say you make a really big amount of money, right? So you make $1 billion or something like that. Okay. Yes, you could say you don't know what to do with it, but you don't need to do anything anymore if that's the case. You can do whatever you like, almost, right? I mean, you can also give the $1 billion away and be at 0 again, but create your own company, do stuff like that, do something good in the world. Like there are people starving, there is cancer research going on, there is mental health stuff that's going on. So many things you can donate to, you can write software for, you can support in many ways if that's what you like, right? If your thing is servers, then maybe just create a better AWS or something like that. This is what I need to do. Create a better AWS. Hey Redrainer, how's it going? Write something useful for something useful. Yeah, that's basically it. Nice for keeping it short. I would just buy a boat and we could all have wild parties, except we can't because COVID and I don't know anything about boats and half of us don't drink. So we would just sit around and play Nintendo. That's completely fine. Okay, so we'll all get tested, go into quarantine 2 weeks, and then we'll just go Nintendo boating. I'm fine with that. I'm completely fine with that. So how do I do hidden servers? How do I do hidden directories? Everyone move to the login aisle and never leave. If there is a Nintendo involved, sure, why not? I'm going where the Nintendo goes. Who has wild parties these days? Yeah. Okay, where are my Linux guys? How do I make a hidden folder? I don't want to Google. I was going to suggest with a dot. Yeah, so I basically did that. Dot whatever. And it's showing. See? I got a reboot. I'm in the Windows talking about my Linux. Okay, got it. Okay. This is not helpful. That's practically cheating. Control H shows hidden folders. Ooh. See? That's where the Linux knowledge lives. In Redrainer's head. Okay, let's implement free. Free X and N. Okay. Yeah, have fun rebooting. So 0x 300 0 up until 0x 3FFF. So I'll need that again. Gonna replace it with 0x3. Okay. Now what does it do? Skips the next instruction if Vx equals NN. Okay, so we do if NN equals self read register register.into. No. That's the case, we'll self instruction pointer plus equal to. Right? We should do a constant for that. So instruction size, that will be 2. Yeah, search for 2, what a good idea. Instruction size. Instruction size. You're complaining, man. Oh, okay. What just happened? Did I delete the wrong thing? Oh my god. Already? You back? There's no U8 anymore. Okay. Expected U16. Yeah, let's make it a U16. U16. Got to press enter on that. Maybe it wasn't the Firefox I was having the issue with. Yeah, try the Control H that Rena that Rena talked about. Okay. Let's run again. Maybe now I can? No. I can't. No, 1. It was in Firefox from what I remember. You were trying to save a file, you were downloading. Okay. 1, 2. Oh, that's basically go to. Okay. Okay, I can do that. 0x1. 0x1. Okay, so now it's working. I'm glad I could help you. Go to... It's basically that without... Yeah, without pushing stuff to the stack because it's a go-to statement. The go-to just doesn't do the things. Yeah. I need a but also place gives the pre-force. A what? You need a what? Am I missing something? Ooh, I wanna click the registers. Oh, it's the wrong XOR again. I need to make this image viewer. Okay. I mean, do what ToggleBit does and build your own. So I think ToggleBit is gonna build everything himself in his streaming career. That's where it's going. He's writing his own game, he's writing his own image viewer. He's probably gonna start writing his own text editor soon. So next comes an OS and then his own streaming platform, and then he takes over the internet. Technically, I started making an image viewer, but it's boring. Make it explode or something like that. And just doing a bunch of format loaders. Yeah, I can imagine that doing an image viewer is kind of boring though. So you basically convert to some internal formatted draw, and that's basically it. Can you crash, please? It would be really great if you could crash. Oh, it just doesn't update. Needs the... Do I need to do this all the time? This is some kind of counter. Is it wrapping around? What is happening? Yeah, basically, it's just refreshing on mouse move. Okay. Let's see. EGUI. If I want to have rendering, I probably need to scrap EGUI anyway, so... Redraw... No, not redraw. Draw? No. Refresh. Since immediate GUI does a full layout each frame, needs to be quick. If you have a very complex GUI, blah blah. to only repaint where there is interaction mouse movement, but I don't want to do that. Okay. Update. Well, that's the panels. Why does it do that? Feature persistence, whatever that means. Oops. App dot, not app dot. How do I set that? Okay, do we have examples? Come on. Okay. Strange things are happening again. Let's see. Source. Main. Request redraw. Okay, so they use a window builder. I'm confused. Oops. Redraw. Let's see. No redraw. Refresh. No refresh. Repaint. Ooh. Needs repaint. This is called at least once in a frame, that there will be another frame right after this call. As many times as you wish, only one repaint will be issued. In the context. Okay, let's see. Name, load, save, update. Let's do CTX. What was it? Request repaint. See if that works. Okay, now I don't need to scroll all the time. We have vibration. That kind of seems like an endless loop though. Excessive use of Red Bull leads to rest. Yeah. I need to counteract the slow compile times. It leads to crust. Wow. Let's open the cargo tunnel. And let's switch to Chippy itself. Ooh, is it tomorrow? Damn, I would have taken a personal holiday. I forgot. Damn. You're not, but you are. I'm excited. Can stream when? Main. Okay, we loaded the thing. Now we will... What do we do now? We will clock? File... No. Loop. Something like that. I will go on stream so I can explain how we will have nice usable arrays now. Badly explained. This expression is unreachable. Oh. This is unreachable, right? Yeah, okay. Let's run again! Now it should maybe crash. In the meantime, let's check out documentation. Input is done with a hex keyboard that has 16 keys. 3 opcodes are used to detect input. One skips an instruction if a specific key is pressed, while another does the same if a specific key is not pressed. The third waits for a key press. Okay. But we do not have any of those. Badly explained. Why is it running though? But my arrays are nice and usable already. Well, maybe your arrays aren't big enough, Ergo. Maybe you need to get bigger arrays. Even if you don't use generics, know that you will benefit greatly from constraints. Yeah, you absolutely will. It will fix some things that are a pain right now, and it will make everything better. Ergo is just mad because his arrays aren't big enough for const generics. Languages all can get performance. Grades mostly will get boosted. Yeah. So how do... Ha. Who cares about arrays anyways? I'll just use vectors. Just heap educate everything. You should be using arrays in the CHIP-8 code I saw you using. What? Why? What are those arrays you're talking about? Am I using an array? Ooh, I'm using arrays as well. Well. But I'm using a vector as a stack. Just because I really don't care about that. Ege was using vec. Somebody loading the funds. Stack vec is probably okay. Just grab enough an array. I use the stack vec because it just provides me with push and pop instructions, so I don't need a separate stack pointer. That's basically all I use it for. So if I have performance problems, I'll do a proper stack implementation with a stack pointer, but for now it's completely fine. What is not completely fine though is this thing running forever. I manually wrote in all the fonts to the memory. There are fonts in CHIP-8? Also, you're emulating a CHIP-8. If you have performance problems, you're running it on the potato. True. Okay, I'm gonna get something to drink, which is not Red Bull. So, gonna take a short break, and I'm gonna be right back. And I'm back. What have I missed? I manually wrote in all the fonts. Okay, I will read that. But my potato can run performance CHIP-8. Although technically it's a Okay. Let's make a risk V emu that emulates 68K that emulates CHIP-8 that does 3D revolves instead of RAWs. I mean, if that's what you like to do, do it. Do it. Okay, let's... Oh, yeah. That was also linked to me. So that's for drawing, right? Draws graphics on screen to the use of sprites. A sprite is a group of points which are binary representation of the same picture. CHIP-8 sprites may be up to 15 bytes for a possible sprite size of 8 to 15. Maybe I should resurrect my OS writing project. Yeah, I think that would be cool. Is it called Bear OS? Nice. Then I definitely want to see it. Because I had no other name. Fair. So it barely works. Wow. Like every other OS or hardware, it boots, switches modes and everything. Nice. Is it written in raster? Just needs the S now. Yeah, so you're basically done, right? It's written in ASM and C. Okay. Because there is Log OS by Philip Opperman. It's probably spelled wrong, but whatever. Yeah, 2P. Which is a complete kernel in just Rust, right? I think they use a few helper things, but if you followed this tutorial, you only ever gonna write Rust code. I think, if I remember correctly. Ecolocation, allocators, even async await. Yeah, I tried to get into it too, but I didn't want to bother setting up cross-compilation and stuff like that, so... This plug is good, but it uses cargo magic to make a bootloader. I think it's not necessary for the thing he's trying to do, right? So he just... I think the blog is to teach you the concepts of writing a kernel and not the concepts of the whole booting thing, right? I might be wrong though. Yeah, it's basically not in scope. That's what I'm meaning to say. Which is fine, right? I mean, there's also is it called Cosmos? Yeah, it is. Which is basically something where you can write your operating system logic in .NET based languages. It is in the scope of that. I mean, I don't mind it not being in the tutorial. That's not the thing I'm interested in. And I'm pretty sure if you really want to do it yourself, you probably can. If you can't initiate the process and switch modes, you don't get an OS. Yeah, but aren't there many OSs that basically just depend on grub to do all the boot stuff and switching stuff? Oops. Yes and no. Still have to deal with it. I mean, sure, but like I said, maybe that's just different opinions on this thing. I am happy that it's abstracted away from me, but maybe I'm missing something. I was never so big into writing an OS, so I don't know. Maybe you can let something else handle getting to the mode you want. Probably. UEFI is so much nicer than BIOS for it though. I have never done UEFI, so I can't comment on that. Yeah, I was coming from bare metal up, not running an app as an OS. The thing is, if it's for learning purposes, I do agree with you that it's probably better to know those things as well. Like, if you want to learn the whole process from boot up to OS, then that's fine. But I always thought that basically the basic boot part, the thing that grub does, is basically solved. So you just use you boot into grub and tell grub where to find your binary blob which it boots as a kernel. So that was my understanding of how you would do an OS, kind of. So, but I do agree that it's probably important to learn if you wanna know all about OSs and stuff. Hey Beamstream. Even running Windows from grub, Windows still makes its own switches. I mean, you can probably do that as well if you really like. Right? I'm just not sure if it's necessary. How you doing? I'm fine. My emulator runs in an endless loop and I don't know why, but other than that I'm fine. Okay, let's see. Endless loop functioning is intended. Maybe it needs draw calls for something. Let's see, it's D for draw. D for draw. Display n byte sprite starting at memory location I. The rest is definitely fun and is interesting though. You get to rewrite right. Nice. N bytes from memory starting at address stored in I. These bytes are then displayed as sprites on the screen. Be erased. F is set to 1, otherwise it's set to 0. What? If this causes any pixels to be erased. Oh. If the sprite is positioned so part of it is outside the coordinates of the display, it wraps around to the opposite side of the screen. Okay, for more information, let's go to display. What? No. They didn't fix the links. Yeah, it should be link up here. And wait, that's working? Why is the display not working? What the hell? Yeah, whatever. So can't even pull up my ASM bootloader because it isn't up USL2. Can't you access that from outside somehow? Probably not, right? Okay. I think I can. I know how to boot Windows. Yeah, you can boot Windows as well. Booting Windows is probably the easier way. So let's go back to Wikipedia. What does Wikipedia say on draw? Okay. It draws by the coordinate. It is still worth of 8 pixels. Value doesn't change. There's probably something going on with checking VF. Let's do something stupid. Let's do something stupid. Okay, self write register 0xf into wait register VF 1. See what happens now. Do we endless loop again, or do we at least crash somewhere? Because that should be the only side effect, right? It doesn't crash, it just doesn't want to crash. It really doesn't want to crash. Welcome back. It does not want to crash. For rogue F or X in somewhere. It would probably be better, yeah. So V0 and 1. Why does it endless loop? Okay, let's manually interpret all of this. It's gonna be a pain. So start up right. A is set the address, and it sets the address. Who would have thought? Isn't there a write address register for that? So how was playing the hunt, Mansi boy? How did you do? Did you win? Can you win? Is this a game you can win? Hey cat peasant, how are you doing today? Okay, let's start from the beginning. 00EE. 00EE returns from the subroutine. Pops the stack, goes back where it was. Does it need to be where it was +2? No, I don't think so. Slaps top of a barrel of catnip. I'm confused. Basically, that's perpetual state of confusion. Make sure you can 12 people hunting one beast on a server. The team will build the beast and executive coffee. Oh, okay, now I got it. Yeah, I think I've already seen people play that, which is kind of cool. So let's see, 1 is a jump. Okay, that's fine. But no, we haven't. Okay. So 2 is calling a subroutine, meaning push, then jump. That's fine as well. 3 is a conditional. Skip the next instruction if Vx equals NN. So we get Vx. And check if it's equal NN. And if it is, we'll skip. Isn't the Hunt Showdown or whatever it's called? I'm not sure. Mans can probably answer that. So 6. 6 is set Vx to NN. Short one guess. Okay. 7 was addition. We have addition. Addition without carry, to be precise. Last thing is A and D. A is set I to the address, which we do, and D is basically drawing. Do we have random in here? Let's run it again, see what it does. So oh, let's print another thing. App registers. That's emu dot read address register. Okay. That's not what I wanted to print at all. The instruction pointer, that's what I wanted to see. Is it private? Okay. For function read instruction pointer. It's gonna be a U16, I think. Self dot instruction pointer. You happy now? Okay. You continue about now. No method named instruct. Oh. It's get instruction pointer. Right. That's stupid. Okay. Megafox, 4 months in a row. Nice. How are you doing? How are you today? And I can't type, apparently. Instruction pointer. Yeah, that's where the loop is. Okay, let's do another thing. My headaches just get better. That's good to hear. Nice. Function pause. Oh. Self. Oh, it's mutable. Mutable self. Self.paused is true. Now let's do the same for unpause. Oops. Oh. I just remembered why Togglebit isn't screaming at me. Because my screen key isn't running, so he doesn't see that I'm hitting the same keys a billion times in a row. If paused, no, that's not true. Is it true? It is true. If paused to, okay. Oh, we know we don't even have to see it. The screen keys were quite distracting. It's probably because I suck at Vim. That's the problem. No, don't compile. Yeah, thanks. Thanks for not compiling. See, if you're being nice to Rust, it basically does what you want. I think screen keys are good when you just want Photoshop or something, but typing doesn't quite help. True. We should make a Vim mode aware screen key plugin, which just triggers when you're in normal mode. Yeah. Okay, let's quit out of it. Where am I? Here am I. So let's see. Pause. So basically just don't use silent anywhere. You can see things like jump word, delete line, go to start, delete to end. Yeah, but I was thinking about something where if I'm here and I'm pressing J 20 times, it show no, shouldn't point at the screen. It shows here or here somewhere what you just pressed for a certain amount of time and then clear it again like string key does, which would be kind of cool. So pop, toggle, pause. Oh, no, 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 no. E was the thing I was searching for. Email, toggle pause. Okay, let's do step as well. Let's get to clock. Function step itself, which should basically be self.paused is false. If self.paused. All other cases, there is no stepping. So we unpause, we self.clock, and we pause again. Okay, return standard IO result as well. Okay. Did you add the web developer tag to my stream? It's so funny. Does he have editor rights? Because I think you need editor rights for that. I don't think normal... He has? Okay. It's still funny. Now you need to do the web dev. I'm sorry. Okay, let's run again. Let's not run again. But technically, Twitchy is web dev and sockets. Oh my. No, no. There should be buttons somewhere. Scroll, scroll, scroll. Isn't there a scroll bar? Oh. Just move the whole thing. But I'm still missing the buttons. Okay. If I did, it would have been ages ago to be helpful. Not funny. I'm not really upset. The dancing stuff was funny. I usually just add all the dev tags. Yeah, Is it in your streams as well that that all the tags get cleared after a while? Oh, it's after the memory. That's stupid. All my registers. Let's do them here. A separator. If you don't stream for like 48 or 72 hours or something, they get cleared. Oh. Yeah. That's something that no one ever needed. I think that's enough of an error message. Oh wait, the fields are sized. They're always present in the user account. Oh, gotta save that 1.7 kilobytes of database space, I guess. Yeah. Pause. Oh. Step. Ah. There's zero reason to clear them. Makes no sense. Yeah, it's probably an intern who did it. Can I... Am I writing to memory? I'm not writing to memory, right? Currently. Let's justify my job by finding anyone who has a stream for 72 hours and clear the tags. But leave the titles and everything else and tag it lol. Yeah, how are you gonna find your old tags if your title is gone? How do you know what you're streaming, right? If my title was gone, I might have done a JavaScript stream today, right? Why do you think I have Rust NVIM in my title? So I don't forget to program in Rust with NVIM. That's all it is. I forget to change my title almost every time. That's one of the things I don't forget. So every time I do basically the same things every time. I start OBS. Then I think for 5 minutes what my title should be, what my notification message should be, what my tags are gonna be for the stream. Then I'm gonna start Pretzel Rocks, then I start my stream, and then I mentally prepare until I switch my scene and be here. So today when I stream about softcore ice cream and baboon script, people will be confused about why it says Rust is metal. Oh wait, I have an idea. I have an idea, I think. Yes, I actually start. Just. Yeah, that can go horribly wrong though. So let's see. If I equals emu dot instruction pointer Happened once or twice. I see the countdown finish, then get into greeting everyone. God hold. No, I did leave my stream on once for a few hours. Ryan would join my Discord just to tell me. Yeah, I'm pretty strict on checking that everything works. I also basically unhost people I don't know when I'm raiding them. So if I'm doing my raid and there's no one on that I know of, and I basically just pick a random Rust or Science and Technology streamer to raid, and I don't know what their stream is gonna be, so maybe they start shouting racist things and stuff like that. I'm basically not gonna host. And if I raid them more often and hang around in their streams a bit and see that their streams are good, not good enough, the streams are fine, then I'll just do the let the host on. Next type of internet racism. Thanks for the whole soundliner. Yeah, basically, yeah. Rape me on Friday, Franks. Wow. Hardliner rates me for the stream. I rate you for asking me how my ads went, even though I'm subscribed. When are you on? And will you be doing Rust? Yeah, that's the big question, right? If you're doing Rust and you're on when I'm done streaming, I probably will rate you. So just assume everyone gets ads. Yeah. Yeah, so that's the time between starting my raid and turning off OBS and everything. Friday 1930, that's already done. We're already 2021. So if that's my bad time. Also, I don't stream Fridays anymore. No toggle rate for you, start earlier. Yeah, or stream on Thursday, then I can rate you. UI dot... Isn't there a color label? Color label. And it's the other way around. So what? Did I tell you to cut? I probably did tell you to cut. Stupid whim does what I tell it to do. How dare it? Wait. No. Let's... let's... Oh, that value. Whatever. I like the chilled streams on Fridays. I stream Fridays, Saturdays, Sundays. It's the weekday part I'm trying to nail down. Yeah, maybe we should work together on that. I like to title my stream "Chill" and be no chill at all. Yeah, classic switcheroo. Enjoy this classic song by Cannibal Corpse. Okay, so how do I color? Color? This format is used for space-efficient color representation. Okay. Start a speedrun time and try it. Maybe make another account or something like that. So let's see. What are we trying to see? Oh, Igui. 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 I don't know the lyrics. The thing is, if no one reports you, you'll probably get DMCA'd first. If someone reports you, you'll probably get banned first. So depending on if someone gets offended by you playing that, that might change what gets first. So colored label. Text color. Yeah, that seems kind of like the thing I want. Are we doing red? Yeah, whatever. Well, this thing about eating babies and worse. The worst things than eating babies. Do we see anything red? No, not at all. Oh, this... Oh, it's step 16. I'm just too stupid to program. That's the thing. So I plus N. I don't actually listen to them. I just remember back in the 90s, everyone being up in arms about them and listening to the for the lols. Yeah. Hey Yasmin, how are you today? Step, 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 step. Wait, I need 2. I need 2. Exhausted, been such a long day. Yeah, exhausted is hits the nail on the head. I'm exhausted too. Let's write some ugly code. If that... Wait. Hey Warclaw. That or... basically the same thing. I'm basically tired. Tired and confused. So my CHIP-8 emulator, endless loops. Stop. Why is it all... Oh, there's another row on the side. Okay. Yeah, and it's already time to raid, basically. This wave's not working. I don't know that. So let's see. That's... Was it FF? Yeah. So 7. 7 means... What does 7 mean? Adds NN to VX. Okay. So... Next is D, it's draw call, then 6, 0x6. 6 is write something into a register. Then we'll have another draw call. We'll write another thing in the register, and then we'll do... Was it a jump? What's 3? Oh, so it checks if in register 1 we have 0, 0. Which we do not, so we continue. Hmm. Eight, 6, 4, 2, 0. Doesn't skip it though. That doesn't seem to work. Register. It was 0. Register value. Actually, for my live stream this Friday, I'm quite tempted to try out a cheeky native for the first time in my life for learning Flutter Dart live. Ooh, nice. Flutter is basically a mixture of C# and JavaScript. So you can do pretty dynamic stuff in it, but you can also do static typing. It's kind of cool. I will run the typing game. Yeah, Okay. Mm, 42? Yes. Yes. Obviously, yes. But what's even the question? By the way, typing game is the... Ooh, nice. Now you've made it. Okay. N is 1. I should print that as well. Otherwise, what's the point? Pringles, no, print line. Did anything else get added other than my help fixes? You learn at the end of the run. Okay, cool. Get to ask yourself. Yes. Yes. I do. No, I don't. Yes, I do. Maybe. Yes. Let's say yes. That's the worst yes or no answer ever. Okay, so let's see. It hits 0 right there. Instruction size is 2, yeah? Yeah. Oh. So let's see. Let's get all of that. Debug. Let's get the instruction pointer as well. What do you mean? Stop complaining. Can you assign now? Can you assign now? Magic. It did print the right thing though, right? So now it should print the instruction pointer as well. And it doesn't. Maybe because I'm... Wait. Shouldn't compare with 1. NN should be 0. What? Okay, let's move through that again. So let's start. We'll have 0x3 x and n. Okay. After this, we should have 0x and n. Then register should be x because we shift to the right for 8 bits, which should be those two, and should leave us with the x itself. And NN is this thing excluding that, meaning NN should be this here. And for whatever reason, it's not. Okay, so what's register? Register is 1 and NN is 1. Okay. I think I'm going crazy. What's whatever? Also, let's do if register value equals 0, self pause. So basically hard code a breakpoint into the emulator. So whatever is 2, 5, 6. Oh yeah, it stopped on the thing after. Register is 1. That's fine. Whatever is 256. Am I shifting by the wrong amount? also if whatever is 265 and the register is 1, how can NN be 1? Shouldn't it be 255 or something like that? No, it shouldn't. It should be 0. Because it's 1, 0, 0. What? Okay. Rust, playground. Whatever. Front line 2561. Wait, wouldn't it be FF? Something like that? $257. Okay, what if I shift all of that? No. Okay. Wait, but that's already 1. Because that's already doing the thing. And here we should probably do something like that. Okay. Oops. Let's get rid of all of those. Might have done just the mask wrong. 0 FFF. Read memory. What am I doing? Emu pause. Let's start paused for a change. Cargo run. Oh. CHIP-8. Okay, so let's see. We are here. Everything is set to 0. We're at address 200. We start with A to B4. Meaning 2B4 gets written as an address. So step. Yeah, 2B4. I. That's the instruction pointer, it's not the address, it's wrong. Yeah, let's fix that real quick. Address. That's the instruction. IP should work as well. Okay. First thing, it writes 2B4 into I. Next thing is 2.3. Which calls the function, so it should set the instruction pointer to 3E6. So step 3E6. 6A00. So that writes 00 into register A. No, 0A. Why did it write 0A? Shouldn't write 0A. Don't I need to do basically register shifted back by the 8? Step. A register, yeah. There's probably an easier way to do it, but On my way to make some food. And when I come back, I see that I got a sub gifted. Yeah, Muncie Boy, basically, I think he gifted 10 subs today, which is crazy. So, thanks again for Muncie Boy, and enjoy your emotes, right? So, there is now... You can now use the Bob Champ, the one and only, the best emote ever made. I think I got everything. It's a pretty decent emote. I think pretty decent isn't enough to describe this emote. Let's... Ooh. We're crashing again. Let's type race again. Come on. Default self. Yeah, so that's basically my what I'm typing at. 50 words per minute, 98% accuracy. The one with the abandoned. Well, why null references are a bad idea? Because you reference into nothingness, and if you pull stuff out of nothingness, there needs to be stuff that goes into nothingness. That's the law of equivalent exchange, basically. So you can't just take things out of nothingness and expect good things to happen. And that's why it's a bad idea to have null references, basically. Don't pull stuff out of nothingness. You can quote me on that, by the way. If you take stuff out of nothing, is it random? How to answer that? Just always use sets T and you have null references and cast them. Normally the null pointer is a global constant if I recall correctly. That's way too good of an answer right now. Also, I think in C++ the null pointer doesn't even have to be null. So, fun fact for you. Pointers in C++ are fun until you get a segmentation fault. Are they? I mean, you can do fun things with it, but segfault is the fun part of C++. I'm doubting the fun part. Let's go to clock. Okay, so I do change the instruction pointer right after read instruction. It's fine as well. I locked myself out of my Sentry server, just kick it open. You need free actor authentication. Makes everything better. It's 3 times the fun. And I don't need that anymore. It's still strange that it crashes. All factor authentication. Password 2-factor token and kick the door open. Password 2-factor and phone call. So you need to call every time you want to log in. Let's go to cargo again. Front line. You should have to get I'm hardline toggle bit to log in before your login will be accepted. And you can only be logged in for 5 minutes at a time. Sounds reasonable. Why multiple factors if you could just call the NSA? That's true. That is so true. Format. You get or not get instruction pointer. We got a spy. I kept reading emu clock as emo clock. I wanted to know why the clock is emo. Oh, 20C. 20C, so it's probably still wrong. The whole conversion thingy. Go away, quick fix list. Let's pause again and step through. Okay, we're here. So right before into 2, right? Whoops, that was the wrong button. Let's try that again. Step. Oh, right, 2B4 into I. That was it. Okay, let's see. No. Okay. So that's done. Next up is 2. 2 means go to free E6 and store whatever you have on the stack. Okay. Free E6. Next up is 6, which means... Does 6 mean write into register A00. That's done. Write into register 019. That's done. That's return. So we should be around 200 somewhere. Yeah, nice. Okay, so the function call. Okay, so 22 is the next thing, which is another call to 2b6. Yeah. Then store in register 7 the number 5. Yes. In register 8 the number 6. Yes. Register 9 the number 4. Yes. In register 1 the number 1F. Yes. In register 5 the number 10. Okay. Register 2 the number 7. It's fine. Then return back to 200 something. Yeah. 701. 701 means get whatever's in register 0 and add 1 to it. So we should be at 20 in register 0. Oh. Yes. 1A, sorry. I think something is wrong with my VM. If df-h takes multiple seconds. Probably. Or maybe it's just the disk that's slow. I heard that VM disks can be quite slow though. Okay, so that's a draw call which isn't implemented. Free, what's free? Free is if register 0 is 25. Skip the next. It's not 25. It's 1A. I'm so amazed what you do. Are you talking with me or with Megaforks? 12. Set the instruction pointer to 206. Oh, okay. I mean, I'm not doing something insane right now. I think. So okay, yeah, now we're done. Don't sell yourself short. Unless you're 411 to just lean into it. Yeah, true. I need to get started on your carry mode. What expression do you want? Let's pause here. A friend of Hardline is a friend of mine. That's nice. Nice and kind as always. So oh. Well, I gotta do something. What do you mean? That's something you can do, Arctic Space Fox. Learn Rust. Okay, let's see. Let's not pause. Let's panic. Can I format in panic? Okay, I can. We're still going through the easy Rust guide while learning the unit stuff, but I love it all. Yeah, if you have problems with the Rust stuff, feel free to ask. Panic! 4096. Structure, and let's do what was it, colon 0x, something like that. Oh, just colon x. Okay, that's fine for me. Okay, so let's see. 1206. How do you... Get mad at me earlier for not responding to the whispers. I was having a look out of curiosity at the squad from you. Yeah, that seems... Oh, wait. That's wrong. That's right. Basically took away the wrong thing. Okay. Oh, now I don't need to panic anymore. Yeah, let's see. Now we should get a panic on something else. When I hear choke, I'm now logged in on my Sentry server. What? How did you do that? Did you get approval from Togglepet and me? Just kidding. Nice, nice, nice. So we got that working. Do you want to implement one more? You choose to do something, you have whatever freedom you want. The 10 tickers are yeah, let's do one more. So C. It's so chill if you on while porting db.js to Postgres. That's nice to hear. Set Vx to the result of a bitwise AND operation on a random number and NN. Okay, I can do that. That's not how you do that. When I see 7 outstanding orders for my graphics card and 27 cards inbound, but do you realize the Suez Canal is currently blocked? Damn. Yeah, getting graphics cards is still so hard. C000 to 0xC FFF and whatever, kind of like that. The register we have NN. Don't care about that. Don't care about that. We'll just write the register NN ampersand random. Do we even have random? No, we have not. So cargo add. Okay, I thought you like your cool color pixel out. I don't know, but now it's gonna be. Make it have 10 tickles. Not tentacles, but 10 tickles. Okay. Allow that code. Let's get rid of that. Use random. Yeah, let's just add random over and over again. I mean, it might just be me, but I think the quick fix list is a bit big today. Might be me though. Might be just me. Use random not in root. I did add random though, right? Yeah. I actually think I'll make a cool cow with a speech bubble doing moo and another one saying ma. That sounds nice. CC restart. Oh, the package is called rand. I'm stupid again. It's getting smaller and smaller. What do you need the type annotation for? Let r as u8 equal random, please. That's not an equal sign. Okay. So that's r now. Okay, you happy now? You happy now? Seems it is happy now. So now it should crash at something else. I should start it, otherwise it won't crash at all. Does. Okay, but that's a thing for another day. No commits yet. Okay. Git add, git commit, init, push? No. CHIP-8, custom, custom, CHIP-8, unfinished. Okay. Add, commit, add readme. I still can't git push. Git hardliner. Let's create a new repository called CHIP-8, which is going to be public. Great. Existing repository. What? Oh, come on. Who changed it to HTTPS? Git remote set URL. Okay, so now it's a GitHub as well. If someone wants to check it out. Yeah, it's sometimes Twitch send also not working. Hello. No, it's working. Okay. So sometimes it just switches to HTTPS again, and I don't know why, but whatever. We got a few things done, which is great. So let's check who we are going to raid. So let's see. Exit out of here. Thanks for watching. Well, not gonna raid this guy. He's building a CHIP-8 emulator. That's so boring. Oh, okay, let's raid him then. You're working and getting there? How long do you need before you would start streaming? Not soon enough to even ask? Okay. Yeah, Toggle is gonna stream now. Yeah, he's... Okay, whatever. Let's see who is streaming. Oh, did I miss a typing game? Expo verifier create dot expect fail to. Yeah, it's gonna be the same. It's gonna be always gonna be the same. Okay, let's see who's online. Setting off, you think? Oh, here he is. So is he going to keep streaming, or is he almost done? Yeah, just 1 second. Thank you. Still working for a little longer. Okay, then let's raid him. Let's do the raiding. I'm still trying to not ban Arctic Space Fox every time I do a raid. Okay, everybody. Thanks for joining. It was a really great stream today. I hope you liked it too. Tomorrow we'll probably do some more CHIP-8, and next week we'll probably get on with the bot again. What do you mean again? Don't you want to see some CHIP-8 programming? He bans you every time. Good job. Late to the party, you're perfectly right for the raid. Okay, like I said, guys, thanks for joining, and have a good night. We'll see each other tomorrow. Bye.